Hey guys, I'm going to try to keep this really short. I just want to let you know that our race paragraph for the week is posted. Here is your prompt. Based on your understanding of the text so far, what might the author be trying to convey about the effects of trauma on an individual? So here's what we would say for this one. This is like a pretty broad question. You could answer this in many, many, many different ways, and your options this week are set up to help you do that. Okay, here's what we don't want to hear. Please do not say trauma is bad. Please do not say trauma sticks with you. We want you to be a little bit more specific, because sometimes what we find is like a question like this, people just say like, oh, well, trauma impacts a person. We know. How does it impact a person, right? So these options are set up to help you do that. So if you check out like our Flipgrid board, we've got some questions that are like approaches that could help you with this, and you've got some really great responses from your classmates too. If you check out your written responses, there are some really there are actually like great responses to these questions embedded in the written responses already, like all over these, so check these out. One approach you could take to this is like saying like, trauma leaves a person feeling blank, 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 right? You could choose one of these words from the slide deck. And we see some really, really great answers to this question all over this annotations board. So if you're struggling, check one of these out, like go one of these routes. There's tons of ways you can answer this question. I would say the only like wrong answer from our perspective is like this chapter is showing us that trauma is bad. That's too basic. Don't be basic. Okay. Very last thing, we have a couple of people who on last week's assignments didn't turn in their like self-reflection. The reason we want you to do that is because it gives us a sense of like how you are interacting with your own learning. It takes about a minute, so it should be really, really quick to do, but it also like helps us track like where you are in this process. And with the book journal, it helps us to like understand why you chose the response you did. So that's why you need to do that to get a grade. If you forgot to do that, we'll email you. But if you get one of those emails, please make sure you fill out the self-reflection on these assignments so that you can get your grade for it. Okay? Okay, I tried to keep that short. It was sort of short. But this was a really easy 10 points. So congratulations. Okay, bye.